Hi guys, welcome back to Brown Sugar Creations. Today we'll be making designer candles. These are the things you'll need. White tissue paper, which I've cut off a little smaller than my 8.5 by 11 regular size paper. I also taped the edges of the tissue paper on top of the 8.5 by 11 regular size paper. I went on Google and did a search for high resolution designer logos, any logos that you like. Open up Word and create 4 different sizes for your 4 different candle sizes and print them off. You'll also need scissors, blow dryer, and some wax paper. The next step is to cut out your printed logos as close to the line as possible. Once you've cut out all your logos, take the cut off tissue logo and place it on the white candle. Place a piece of wax paper long enough to wrap around it. Use your blow dryer on high heat until your color changes to a glossy, darker black.